To keep a horse from becoming dehydrated, many horse owners turn to automatic waterers. Ritchie Industries is a leading manufacturer of them. To learn more about the company and its products, I sat down with marketing manager Ruth Peterson. Ruth, let's go back. Ritchie Industries has been around forever, it seems like. Let's kind of go back to the beginning. How did it get started?
Well, in 1921, Thomas Ritchie from Oskaloosa patented his first automatic waterer. And really that's how it began. The farmers really enjoyed the labor-saving technology and being able to really water their horses reliably. And then in 1929, Ritchie had moved to Marshalltown, Iowa, and then up to Conrad, Iowa, which is about 12 miles north, in a very small farming community in 1943. And at that point, it was purchased by the Wilson family. 2004, Ritchie became employee-owned, but still within the Wilson family.
You said the farmers really appreciated the labor-saving aspect of this. What are some of the other values that you bring in those products to these folks?
Ritchie is known and has established a reputation for the quality and the durability and the longevity of our waterers. They have lasted 30, 40 years, but we're still hearing from some of our customers needing repair parts, which they still can get. Mm-hmm. We have maintained a standard in the repair parts. Everything can be moved from one waterer to another.
If I had to pin you down and say, what is the most important component of a Ritchie water, what would you say?
Our valve.
The valve, the refill valve.
The refill valve. It's I would say, the best on the market. It will keep up with the animals drinking. It will never go dry. We have different valves for different pressure ratings, all the way down to 5 and up to 100.
So if you got real low PSI in one area, pounds per square inch, I know that. In one area, you've got a valve that works with that, plus something with a lot of water pressure. You can deal with that either way.
Absolutely.
Now, I understand that the little secret here is that some of your competitors actually buy your valves to put in their units. Is that true?
Yes, it has happened. Yes. We won't name names. But that is a testament to how good our valves work.
You know, in the part of the country where Ritchie started, I know you guys have some nasty winters there.
We do.
And I have seen these Ritchie waterers sitting out in fields or in livestock areas that, I mean, they're old and they're battered, but you can tell they've been there, in some cases, for decades, doing their thing day in and day out. So that reliability thing, you guys have really nailed that. How do you do that?
We have stuck with what has worked, basically. We value our customers' input. We value our distributors' and dealers' input, those who install them. And we constantly evolve our waterers, build on what we have learned, and make them better.
A perfect case in point, I think, is this brand new water you've got. Is it EcoFount?
EcoFount.
EcoFount, which actually kind of has a double meaning because it's ecologically friendly and it's economical at the same time. But tell me about the design process, how the customer input actually made a difference in this case on the finished product.
We are extremely excited about the EcoFount family. These units are a combination of our stainless steel trough and then our poly base, which is extremely insulated. Customers always wanted the ease in cleaning and reliability in their heating, especially in the northern states. So we took a Thrifty King unit, which is a covered unit, and a Commander unit, which is a stainless steel covered unit, and incorporated those into the EcoFount. So now we have ease in cleaning, we have the stainless steel trough, so you have the reliable heating, and the fully insulated cover and casing. So these units are just going to be incredible.
So the insulation and so forth allows you to keep the water at the correct temperature and save energy, I suppose,
yes.
doing that. Is that the idea behind that?
Absolutely. We're looking at estimates right now is around $20 for the entire year if you were to leave the electricity running to that unit. That's estimate as of now. We're still doing testing. All of our units are very energy efficient, and this is going to be the most energy efficient unit that has heat standard.